Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share. So yes, this is another shrink-a-dink project, but it's mostly to update you on the Cricut cutting out shrink-a-dink or shrink plastic. So this is the shrink plastic I picked up at Hobby Lobby. This is what I'm going to share with you today. I still say you get more bang for your buck on Amazon as far as the shrink plastic. So I would go with Amazon. I just needed this for a recent project. So I also pulled out one of my chopping boards that's been in my craft room. I said I was going to use it in my craft room, and I finally remembered to use it. So when I use my heat tool, I put my chopping board down. I'll put my element on here. And these are just the images that, again, I pulled off of Google, free images. So the update for the Cricut design space, you could either make a custom setting for yourself, or you can take the easy way, which I remembered via Ebony. She reminded me to use the deep cut blade, which when she did remind me, it's already in my machine. With that, you can use your strong grip mat with the shrink plastic, or your regular. I just used the regular mat. I loaded my shrink plastic sheet after it went through the printer. I pulled it out, put it on the mat, and I just put it in there. Put the deep cutting blade on your cutting machine and cut it as cardstock, or you could, like I said, make your own setting and save it as shrink plastic. There might be even a setting in there, but I just didn't take the time. I'm just going through, playing with the Cricut again. Use the deep cut blade and put this on there. Make it pass, cut 2 passes, or even 3 if you're not sure. But by the second pass, I had already seen on the, I wish I had recorded this, on the sheet itself, you could see the mat in the cut, line. So once I saw the mat, I knew it cut through. So that went really well. And then I just wanted to share you the quality of the one from Hobby Lobby. It is a like a rough edge. There you go. You can see it right there. And I'm wondering if it's because it's picking up on my cutting mat or whatever. But I don't mind it. I like it. It gives it texture. And the color is brighter. It's a little dusty. You might want to get, which I forgot to pick up while I was at Hobby Lobby, some glossy accents. I did the nail polish thing, but I think I'm using like the, I don't know, not enough. So this is, it's a top coat. I think I got this at Walmart. But anyway, I used the nail polish thing, and I had to do several layers of the clear nail polish. Now, I don't have that to show you what it looks like because my daughter, she took it. But anyway, I'm going to go and get some glossy accents. What I have left. I did use the Mod Podge, but I don't know, guys. Just use whatever you want, you know. So like I said, I did pull this up on Google, free images. This is one, if you use your inkjet printer, which is what they recommend, it's inkjet for the shrink plastic. So inkjet, okay. You must be patient and let it dry, because look at what I did. I ruined this one. So I'm going to use this as my test for the Mod Podge. The Mod Podge and the glossy accents. Again, if you do the shrink plastic, make sure you have something smooth. If you don't like the ridges, like I have here on my chopping board, make sure you have something smooth. And also, what was I going to say? Something to put pressure from the top, like your clear stamping blocks. I got to clean this. It's got some glue on it. But as soon as you finish shrinking it, take your clear block and put it right on top and press it down so that your little charm will be flat, okay? And make sure your table surface is clean. That way you don't get any dust and little marks on there. All right, I had a paintbrush. Okay, I just found a paintbrush in my stash. Crafter's Choice. It is what it is. I got it from Walmart. So let's do this so that it's not rolling up on me. I had some paper plates. You guys, I am just not, I'm not organized. The melted surface also, the top surface is not smooth either. It's kind of weird, but we're gonna go with it. And I just got a plate. Dollar Tree. There you go. Now I can paint and just move it away when I'm done. Let's go. I am using Mod Podge. This I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's a gloss finish. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this up. Right now I'm just gonna dab it so I don't make it bleed and drag the color. You know what? I think I'll just go ahead and finish this with the Mod Podge for both. Because the glossy accents I remember on the Hello Kitty one is yellowing. It's turning yellow. You know, when I was doing the Hello Kitty, finishing those off. This is a totally different quality from the one I get from Amazon because it's very smooth, the one from Amazon. This one is rough, so yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you guys are bored of the shrink plastic. Because, yeah. I'm just gonna let that dry. This one is really messed up because I was so impatient. The face is all messed up, but I'm gonna use these as my prototype. Oh God, this one's bleeding. Especially the red. Oh gosh. Yeah, so the red is bleeding, the ink. I don't like that. Yep. Not good. Get off of her. Just cleaning it up a little bit. As much as I can. Red is dangerous. Another thing I could have done was got some hairspray and applied hairspray on the top of this before putting the glue, which probably would have been a better idea for the colors. So I might do that for the next time because I'm not going to do all of it right now on camera. And just let this dry. And hopefully, hope for the best, I guess, right? All right, so we're gonna let that be. I'm not gonna do the glossy accents. I'm gonna wash my brush off properly so the glue doesn't get stuck in there. And that's it, guys. I just really wanted to come back on here real quick and tell you when you're using your printable shrink plastic, remember printable, not the ones that you can only draw on or whatever. If you're using the printable, use your Cricut to cut it out and use your deep cutting blade, okay? So that's it for now. Hope you guys liked it, and let me know, are you over are you over this? Because I can, you know, stop sharing these videos. But the reason I made these, I'm adding this to a dangle for Ebony. And this is what I have so far. And you know, dangles are always so hard to show on camera. You gotta do it front facing so that your dangles could hang the right way. So this is what I've done for her. And I used those plastic chain links from Michael's that I picked up in my previous haul. And these are buttons I picked up at Walmart. And I just added some of those plastic bales. And then I used my beads in my stash, some from her and some from Hobby Lobby and Walmart and Amazon. So it's a mix of it. And then I just used some of the findings that I picked up again from Michael's. But these are, is she cute? I kind of got mixed feelings because although she does like Minnie, I don't have any of the Mickey buttons like this. I think I gave those, I don't know, on other projects. I might have given it away or something, but these are just so cute. So I took a jump ring and put some Heishi beads on there. And then I put one of these flowers that came with these buttons. This flower is part of that button set. And then I dangled a Mickey head. And this was gifted to me by another crafty friend. You know, some sweet treats and stuff. But mainly I was trying to stick with yellow, red, white, and black. And then on the bottom, I'm just going to leave this little pin dangling from here. She could take this off and, you know, use it. But I'm going to add these charms on there also. This is the other. This one I'm nervous because it's all red. So yeah, I will probably do the hairspray on the surface for the rest of these shrink plastics. It does have some of a texture on the top, but yeah, I'm okay with that. I'll spray it on and then I'll add the Mod Podge onto there, and I'll let you see what these look like once they're fully dry and you know, touchable. Hopefully the red doesn't bleed too much. Ugh, cross your fingers. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. And that will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live here on my channel. And don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram at Eileen Payne. And yeah, don't forget, hit the thumbs up, guys, if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.